Hey guys, what if I told you the reason your biggest entrepreneurial dreams haven't come true yet isn't because you lack money or connections or even knowledge? It's actually something way closer than that, something you deal with every single day. Would you want to know what it is? I want you to stick around because today I'm going to let you in on a little secret that most entrepreneurs don't talk about. But first, I want you to drop a comment below. What is your entrepreneurial dream? And what's been holding you back? I read every single comment and I love connecting with you guys. So make sure you drop that comment below. All right, let's get into it. So you want to know the secret? The reason your entrepreneurial dreams haven't become reality is because you haven't taken action. That's it. That is the whole reason right there. You can have the perfect plan, you can have big goals, you can even have the talent, but if you don't take action, none of that matters. I see this every single day. People with amazing ideas, powerful visions, talking about what they're going to do, right? But when it comes time to actually move, I'll start tomorrow. That's what I hear. I'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow, it turns into next week. Next week turns into next year. And before you know it, nothing's changed. So the real question is, what can you do today that actually moves you closer to your dream? Because here's the truth, guys. You are living in the future right now that you created 5 to 10 years ago. And 5 to 10 years from now, you'll be living in the results of what you do starting today. So let's talk about how to change that. And step number 1, set 1 to 3 goals every single day and actually complete them. It's simple, but it's so powerful. These goals, they need to directly connect to your bigger dream. Let me give you like a little example here. Let's say that you want to start a business, but you've been putting it off. And instead of saying, I'll start someday, you break it down into today's actions. Goal number 1, research what you need, your business license, insurance, maybe equipment. Goal number 2, you actually apply for the business license. Goal number 3, you reach out to someone already doing it. That's it. Just a couple of small wins every single day. And here's what happens. Those small wins, they start stacking up. Momentum starts building. Your confidence grows. And suddenly, that dream, it doesn't feel so far away anymore. You can sit around waiting for someone else to build your future, or you can go ahead and take action. You have to take ownership and take action. Step number 2, connect with people who are already doing what you want to do. This is so huge. Too many people try to do everything on their own, and that's one of the slowest ways to succeed. You need to find people in your space. Reach out, ask questions, right? But here is the key. Don't just ask for help. Ask how you can help them. Add value to them, because when you do that, something powerful happens. You start building real relationships. You get around the right mindset. And over time, those people, they may mentor you. They may guide you. Open doors you didn't even know existed. You need a team. Nobody builds something great completely alone. Step number 3, you need to immerse yourself in your dream. You need to read books. You need to listen to podcasts. You need to watch YouTube videos. Study everything you can get your hands on. The more that you surround yourself with it, with your dream, the more real it becomes. Even before you physically see results, your mindset starts to shift. You start thinking differently, making better decisions, seeing opportunities you used to miss. And that's when things begin to change. Look, guys, I didn't start with multiple rental properties. I started with just a dream, just a little dream. But more importantly, I started taking action. Little bits of action every day, daily action. I got around as many entrepreneurs and investors as I possibly could. I learned everything I could, and I stayed consistent. That's what led me to where I am today. And honestly, that's why I created this channel right here, is to build a place where entrepreneurs and investors can grow together. They can learn together and actually start turning their dreams into reality. If you want one-on-one help, there's a link below where you can set up a free 30-minute coaching session with me. And if this video helped you at all, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And hey, if you're wondering whether you might actually be further along than you think you are, I want you to click this video right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.